Believe it or not, this isn't my natural hair. I found the most seamless clip-ins I have ever seen, and if you want to see how I got this look, then let's get into it. Hey friend, I went to sleep without my bonnet on and it's giving broke down Barbie. We gotta fix it, child, okay? First, we need to prep my natural hair with a little heat protectant and anti-humidity serum. All of the products that I used throughout the video will be linked below, but as you can see, I have completely sweat out my roots. But I'm not mad at it because it's gonna make putting in these clip-ins a whole lot easier to give them a little something to grip onto, okay? But I definitely need to hit these edges, so I'm going ahead and plugging in my hot comb. I plugged her in, I put her on medium heat. Mine goes between 1 and 20 and I put it on 15. So to me, that's like medium high, okay? But set your hot comb to your liking. I am not responsible for nobody edges but mine, okay? And I make questionable choices, so do what you will. Now, while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and plug up my Babyliss Pro flat irons as well. And these I actually did put on like a medium to low heat. Out of 1 to 30, I put them on 15. So that is, I guess, medium, if you will, okay? But my hair is already straight and I am not trying to crisp it up, so that should be fine. Now with my Babyliss flat iron and my hot comb, I am unstoppable, okay? Call me, I don't know, I need a weave superhero name, but child, please. And call me Beat Me if you want to reach me, okay? I get it done. Now, since they're already plugged in and warming up, we can start to get into the rest of the things. The clip-ins in question today are from BetterLength Hair. I got the upgraded seamless Yaki clip-ins in 20 inches. That's a lot, okay? So all the information is down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Now this set comes with 2 5 clip wefts, 2 4 clip wefts, 2 3 clip wefts, 2 short 2 clip wefts, and then 2 wider 2 clip wefts, okay? In total, the full set has 10 clip-ins, but the true tea is how seamless they are. Literally, where's the track? Please point it out to me. I am obsessed. Now I'm going for a half up, half down style, so I'm just gonna hit the edges in the kitchen with the hot comb. Then we can start to kind of section out the hair and figure out what we're about to do, okay? Now there are levels to half up, half downs, but I wanted mine to be kind of high. I'm going for a super like girly pop on the go, half up, half down, really soft, nothing too overdone, if that makes sense. So I parted the hair that I wanted to put up top in the half up, half down, and we're going to start working with the hair we're going to leave down in the back, starting off with parting out a section and then applying a 4 clip piece, parting out another section and then a 5 clip piece, and then parting out one more section and then a 3 clip piece, okay? We want the back super full. And so far, this is what we have, and it's giving. I'm gonna just put it in a little bun so we don't get confused, okay? Now, for the front section, I'm gonna part out about a half an inch just to make sure none of our tracks are shown in the back. And then I'll put in a 4 clip piece. And then after that, I parted another section, and then I used 3 of the 2 clip pieces like next to each other to create a super long row, because I want like super clean rows in the front section to make everything smooth and look real natural. You following me? Are you here? Are we there? Okay. Now, for the last clip in the front, I'm applying the 5 clip piece all the way across about 1.5 to 2 inches behind my hairline. And everything is laying super flat and seamless. Like, I literally cannot tell I have any extensions in my hair. I'm not capping. Like, comment down below if you see a clip, a comb, a track, or anything, honey. Clock my tea, please, because I can't find it. The hair just sits perfectly right against the part and it looks so smooth. Like, look at that blend. Now, I want a super natural look, so I'm not gonna wrap the band on my ponytail up top. I'm just gonna use a little bit of Shaper Plus spray to tame the flyaways and make it look real like put together and soft, not super hard and like, child, I ain't got time to be wrapping. I'm not doing all that, all right? Now, all that's left to do is give it a little curl to help everything blend together nicely. And where are my girls at who know how to curl with the flat iron? Raise your hand in the comments, please, because it's a skill. It belongs on a resume. I don't care what nobody say. And last but not least, I have to give my baby hairs a little swoop. I went in with a little bit of edge control, just a tiny bit, and then some hairspray. And this is the finished look. What do we think, friend? Should I have wrapped the base and did the whole like super polished thing, or are we liking the natural look? What do we think about the upgraded seamless clip-ins? Is it something that you want to try? Let me know. Give me the tea. I didn't gave you a little tea. Now you give me some tea in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.